Do you know what quietly steals your power, your peace, and your ability to rise above life's challenges? It isn't your failures, it isn't fate. It's the betrayals you forgive, the ones you shouldn't. And yet, almost everyone does. Today, you're going to see clearly which betrayals are silently eroding your soul and how you can stop giving away what is rightfully yours. By the end of this video, you'll not only recognize the betrayals you must never forgive, but you'll gain the tools to reclaim your energy, your self-respect, and your life. Welcome to Beyond Vision Mindset, the place where timeless wisdom meets modern life. Here, we explore Stoic truths, lessons from Aristotle, Socrates, and the greatest minds in history to help you live with clarity, strength, and purpose. Before we dive in, let me say this. If this video gives you value, supporting the channel through likes, comments, shares, or even a coffee or super sticker ensures that these lessons continue. Creating content that uplifts, guides, and teaches is not easy. Every ounce of support keeps this light alive, gives life to wisdom, and allows us to continue helping people like you rise above mediocrity. So stay until the end. You will gain insights that can change how you live, how you love, and how you protect your soul. Number 1. The betrayal of your time and energy. Time is the one resource that cannot be replaced. Once a moment passes, it is gone forever. Yet how many of us give it away freely to people who do not value it, who do not respect it, and who have no intention of returning it with equal measure? We make excuses for them. They're going through a hard time, we say. It's not a big deal. And while we forgive, our energy quietly drains. Every late-night conversation, every one-sided favor, every constant demand chips away at the reservoir of strength we should be guarding fiercely. The Stoics teach that our true power lies in how we respond to what is within our control. Your energy is within your control. Who takes it, however, is often not. But allowing someone to repeatedly consume it without consequence is a form of self-betrayal. It is silent, subtle, and poisonous. To guard your energy is not cruelty, it is wisdom. Start by observing where your attention goes. Who calls you only when they need something? Who drains your joy instead of adding to it? Who interrupts your focus with endless complaints that require no action, only empathy that leaves you empty? The solution begins with boundaries, clear, firm, unapologetic. Learning to say no is not a rejection of kindness, it is a defense of your soul. Redirect your time to those who respect it, who honor it, who value your presence as much as you value theirs. And notice how quickly life begins to change. Your mind becomes clearer, your focus sharper, your energy returns. You will no longer feel scattered, exhausted, or used. This is not just strategy, it is self-preservation, a reclaiming of power that others will notice, even if silently. Ask yourself every day, where is my energy going, and is it being respected? The answer will shape the boundaries you set, the relationships you maintain, and the quality of your life. And remember, those who cannot respect your time are not your enemies. They are simply not part of your journey forward. Number 2. The betrayal of trust. Trust is sacred. It is the invisible thread that holds relationships, friendships, and communities together. When it is broken, the damage is often invisible to others, but devastating to the one betrayed. And yet, so many forgive it too easily. The lie whispered, the promise unkept, the loyalty turned into convenience. We forgive because confrontation feels uncomfortable, because we fear conflict, or because we hope the other person will see the error of their ways. But the Stoics teach us that character and integrity are the pillars of life. Compromising them to maintain temporary comfort is self-deception. To forgive someone who repeatedly betrays your trust without reflection is to teach them that your boundaries are negotiable. It is to signal that your discernment can be manipulated, that your patience can be exploited. In reality, the cost is much higher than social awkwardness. It is a slow erosion of your judgment, your peace of mind, and your ability to trust wisely in the future. The solution is not revenge. It is not cruelty. It is clarity and action. Notice the patterns. Ask yourself, does this person's behavior align with their words? Do they honor the commitments they make to me? Do I feel stronger, lighter, or empowered in their presence? If the answer is no, the Stoic path is clear. Protect your trust. Distance yourself. Speak with clarity. Align yourself with those whose deeds reflect their words. In doing so, you not only safeguard your peace, but also set a standard for how you are to be treated. Think about it. Forgiving without discernment is easy. Acting to protect your trust takes courage. It may feel uncomfortable at first, but the life you preserve, one of integrity, strength, and clarity, is worth every moment of discomfort. Number 3, the betrayal of self-respect. This betrayal is the most subtle yet the most corrosive. It creeps into your life through quiet undermining, belittling, dismissive comments, or a consistent failure to honor your dignity. We forgive it because we fear confrontation, because society has conditioned us to be nice, or because we hope that over time the person will change. But the Stoics teach us that the soul is inviolable. Your dignity, your sense of self, your inner citadel, these must never be compromised. To forgive repeated violations of self-respect is to surrender the most sacred part of yourself. Consider the friend who mocks your dreams behind your back, the colleague who takes credit for your work, the family member who constantly belittles your choices. Forgiving these actions without action or reflection signals that your worth is negotiable. It quietly trains others to expect less from you. And the tragedy is, it often leaves you doubting yourself, questioning your value, and tolerating indignity as if it were normal. The solution is radical clarity. Protect your dignity, establish non-negotiable boundaries, and distance yourself from those who violate your self-respect. Speaking up is not cruelty. It is an act of courage, a statement that your inner citadel is not for sale. Every time you honor your self-respect, you reinforce a powerful truth that you are a sovereign being, responsible for guarding your mind, your energy, and your soul. Those who cannot honor that are not your enemies. They are simply not part of the path forward. Ask yourself every day, am I tolerating disrespect for comfort, or am I defending the sacredness of my soul? Your answer will determine the quality of your life, your relationships, and your inner peace. And remember, supporting Beyond Vision Mindset is more than just clicking a button. It's joining a community that values growth, strength, and wisdom. Like, comment, share, and consider supporting with coffee or super stickers. Every contribution keeps this knowledge alive for you and for anyone seeking guidance in a world that constantly challenges the mind and soul. Do not let your inner citadel be compromised. Guard it, nourish it, and never surrender it, because the world will always test you, but the power to remain unbroken lies within you.